Thank you for joining my channel and welcome to all new members. It helps my channel if you like my videos. I'm expecting every single one of my members. Welcome to SkVm Sudoku. I'm going to solve the Hindu newspaper Sudoku based on February 6, 2022 5-star Sudoku. Column C and column D we have 4. 8th row also we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. Then 4 is confirmed here. Column C and column D we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells. Then 5 is confirmed here. 9th row 4 numbers are remaining. 3, 8, 7, 9. 8th grade we have 7 and 9. So 7 and 9 can't come these cells. It will come any one of the cells. We will confirm later. Then only 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 8. Column E we have 3. So 3 can't come in this cell. The 3 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Column D and 8th row we have 7. So 7 can't come these cells. Then 7 is confirmed here. Column E we have 2. 10th row also we have 2. So 2 can't come in these cells. Then 2 is confirmed here. Column F 8th row we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. Then 4 is confirmed here. 8th grade only 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 5. 8th row we have 5. So 5 can't come in this cell. Then 5 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Column F and 6th row we have pair numbers 5 and 6. So 5 and 6 can't come these cells. It will come any one of the cells. We will confirm later. Column E and column F we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. Then 2 is confirmed here. Column G 4 numbers are remaining, 1, 8, 5, 6. 3rd row we have 1 and 8. So 1 and 8 can't come this cell. It will come any one of the cells. Only one cell remaining. We don't know 5 or 6. We will confirm later. 2nd grade we have 1 and 8 and 9. It can't come these cells. Then it will come any one of the 3 cells. We will confirm later. 5th grade only one number is remaining, 7 is confirmed here. Column F 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 7. We will confirm later. And 7th grade only one cell is remaining. It will come 5 or 6. We will confirm later. In 3rd row 3 numbers are remaining, 3, 7, 9. Column C we have 3 and 7. So 3 and 7 can't come in this cell. It will come any one of the cells. Then only one number is remaining, 9. The 9 is confirmed here. 3 and 7 will confirm later. Column H and column I we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. Then 4 is confirmed here. Fourth row and column H we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells. Then 5 is confirmed here. Column C and column D we have 2. Sixth row and seventh row we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. Then 2 is confirmed here. 7th grade. 3 numbers are remaining. 3, 9, 8. Column C we have 3 and 9. So 3 and 9 can't come in this cell. It will come in one of the 2 cells. Then only one number is remaining. 8. 8 is confirmed here. 10th row we have 9. So 9 can't come in this cell. The 9 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Tenth row, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 8. Column I we have 8. So 8 can't come in this cell. 8 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. 8th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 6. We will confirm later. 5th row and 6th row we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. 3 will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. 6th grade we have 3. So 3 can't come in this cell. Then 3 is confirmed here. Since 3 is here, so 3 can't come in this cell. 3 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Column J we have 7. So 7 can't come in this cell. Then 7 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. Column I, only one number is remaining, 9. 9 is confirmed here. 4th row, we have 3. So 3 can't come in this cell. Then 3 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. 3rd grade, only 2 numbers are remaining, 6 and 9. 7th row, we have 9. So 9 can't come in this cell. The 9 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. In column H, we have 6. So 6 can't come in this cell. 6 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Since 3 is here, so 3 can't come in this cell. Then 3 is confirmed here. Column H, only one number is remaining, 8. 8 is confirmed here. Column J, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 5. 6th row, we have 5. So 5 can't come in this cell. Then 5 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. 5th row, we have 5. So 5 can't come in this cell. Then 5 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Column G, we have 6. So 6 can't come in this cell. 6 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Column C, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 6. 2nd row, we have 6. So 6 can't come in this cell. 6 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. 7th row, we have 1. So 1 can't come in this cell. Then 1 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. 2nd row, only one number is remaining, 7. 7 is confirmed here. 4th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 6 and 8. Column B, we have 6. So 6 can't come in this cell. 6 is confirmed here, then 8 is here. Column D, only one number is remaining, 8. 8 is confirmed here. Column B, two numbers are remaining, 1 and 9. Sixth row, we have 1. So 1 can't come in this cell. 1 is confirmed here, then 9 is here. Column F, 3 numbers are remaining, 1, 8, 9. Fifth row and 7th row, we have 8. So 8 can't come in these cells, then 8 is confirmed here. 7th row, we have 1. So 1 can't come in this cell, then 1 is confirmed here. Then only one number is remaining, 9. 9 is confirmed here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share this video. Thank you very much.